Alright, actually this is a late night for me. It's Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investment again. Helping you save money through real estate, helping fix your own stuff on your house. If the cars or real estate, if you're interested in wholesaling, click on my affiliate link below for Propstream. So Propstream is a platform that helps people identify property owners that may need your assistance as far as selling their property. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, like, comment below, and have the Amazon affiliate links below. Anytime you click on those links, helps support this channel. Alright, let's get to it. Today, it's a late night. My wife was using the in-sink soap dispenser and she went to fill it. She pulled the head back and it broke. The head came off. I think this came with the house. And it's just lasted about 4 years. So looks like I got caked up with, filled with soap there. That came off. That's broken. Let's take this apart. This usually can just pull this out from the top here. I'm gonna put this foam down a second here. Get a view on this. There you go. That comes off. So there's a screw at the bottom here. Let's go all the way down. So here's the bottom of the soap dispenser. We're going to unscrew this. And we have to put this down in a second. Try to do this with one hand. So that comes off. And there's a second nut here. Usually these are hand tightened, so don't over tighten these because it'll crack. Have a granite column top, so you want to crack that. Unscrew that. So we can do this one hand. So I guess I'll name this video in-sink soap dispenser. So it comes up. So now it's pretty much loose, you can see there. Let's go up to the top. There, so that's the bottom piece. Here's the soap dispenser. If you want to trash that, move it away. This comes right out. So what I like to do is make sure the silicone, I bought silicone from I think one of the hardware stores, and that way it'll heal, it'll curate in 30 minutes or less, because my wife would like to use the sink tonight. So the replacement I got from Amazon. This one. So I'll put the link below again. Click on these links below. Even though you just click on it, you're helping support the channel. You don't have to buy anything. If you buy anything, actually supports the channel further. This came with it. Pretty nice looking in-sink soap dispenser. So I got this from Amazon. And it comes with, comparatively to the old one, here's the old one, and here's the new one. So you get, according to the manufacturer, you get 500 mLs of soap water, or cc's. If you have a medical field like I was, like I am, 500 cc's is about half a liter. This looks like, I don't know, maybe 250, so half of that. So you get a good size. Again, from Amazon. Alright, let's put this together. So I'd like to clean out the entry point here before we put the new one on. Just gonna rinse it with a little water. Make sure you get all the grime out of there. Now, being it is granite and it's probably shined up pretty nicely, you can see glisten on it from the recessed lighting. We're going to rough it up a little with a razor blade. Try it. So I got this razor blade here. We're just going to rough it up. Just so it creates some kind of gripping area for the silicone to hold on to. Yeah. Now it's pretty much clean. Okay, and because I work in medical fields and alcohol wipes, make sure it's nice and clean for prep surface so the silicone can adhere properly. You know, because this is a sink, it might be full of grime and mildew, but maybe it'll lessen the chances of the silicone adhesive adhering to the surface and the new unit. So we're going to actually take it apart. So as one piece is this, then we're going to take it apart because you don't need this piece yet. So you need this piece. Looks like there's a rubber gasket in there. You probably put them together like this. And then what I found, the old one, is you just screw it from the bottom with this. Because this is where all the water will seep through, so you want to use nice silicone. And I got GE silicone, 30-minute dry, clear, less than 30 minutes. So cut this real good, and we'll do it to just for repetitive sake. We're gonna wipe down the silicone too. I mean the rubber piece. I'll take this out. I'll let that dry while I'm doing this. Let that come out, and I'll do the same here. Kind of like the thing. Now I don't know if this is a correct way or wrong way, but I figured. What the heck, extra cleaning. I'm just gonna dab it dry. I'll put a little dab in here with clear silicone. So, okay. Now we'll cut this par. So we'll cut the tip off of this right here. I won't cut a lot because I want to be able to control the flow of this silicone. That's what it looks like. You can see that. Like that. Okay. Let's put a little dab in here. So there's where we want. There we go. Just a little dab. Now I'll put this piece together too. Like so. Then I'll put it on this side, of this. I mean, I could put it on here. I mean, everything, both things are prepped. So let me go right here. Both sides are prepped. I'm sorry, you guys are not seeing this, but let's come around. I'll show you in a minute. So it looks like that. So, make sure I put some in here. Make sure this is prepped too. I don't know what I did here. I think we're good there too. Make sure I put some enough in there. And the key pro tip to this is as soon as you put it on, you want to wipe out the excess piece. Because once it's hardened, it's kind of it's hard to get rid of the excess piece. You know. So we're good to go. Let's put it together. Like that there. Yeah. Down there. Now once we position in place, I'm going to screw it from the bottom with this plastic screw. And it's just hand tight, you don't have to go crazy. The glue will keep it in. Let me close this adhesive glue, silicone glue up. Okay, maybe I can use it for next time. Not really. I've never seen it reuse. Alright, little pro tip here. So what I did was I clamped the hose up here because I'm doing this by myself with a vice grip, and I protect the chrome piece with a paper towel kind of hold there. So I'm going to go down there and screw this stuff in, which is somewhere. So, oops. Go down and screw this thing in. You unscrew it from the bottom here. And because the vice grip up there is holding the bottom from turning, should be able to line up perfectly. That's it. So silicone's in, screwed it from the bottom, and let this cure for 30 minutes. And the simple thing is attach the pump to it. I'm going to pre-fill the bottle with dishwash liquid, so that way I don't have to pour it from the top. Okay. Hope you like the channel. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Again, I'll see you in the next video.